Title of the story: The Power of Togetherness. In a beautiful village, nestled between rolling hills, there lived a happy family. A kind father, a loving mother, and their two joyful children, Maya and Ravi. The village was known for its lush green fields, colorful flowers, and a sparkling river that flowed gently through the heart of the town. Every morning, the family would gather by the riverbank, where they would listen to the birds sing and watch the fish swim. The parents always taught Maya and Ravi about the importance of kindness, sharing, and helping others. One day, a fierce storm hit the village. The river overflowed, and the villagers were worried their crops might be destroyed. The father immediately gathered everyone and suggested they work together to build a dam to stop the river from flooding. Maya and Ravi, despite being small, did their best to help, carrying small stones and encouraging their friends to join in. Soon, the whole village was working together, building the dam with determination. When the storm passed, the dam held strong, and the village was safe. The villagers cheered and thanked the family for their idea and teamwork. From that day on, Maya and Ravi learned that when everyone works together, even the biggest challenges can be overcome. The moral of the story is, together, we can achieve great things.